Hey guys, I'm Harshit Kumar. This is the beginning of day 4. Today will be a bit different. I will be recalling all the chapters that I studied till now. Apart from that, I will be completing metallurgy, nomenclature. These were the two chapters that I left previously. And apart from that, I will be completing quantitative analysis part 1. Okay, I won't be able to complete both the part, so only part 1 quantitative analysis and POC in organic chemistry. If time left, I will be solving more questions. I won't be focusing on covering more chapters today, rather I will be solving more questions, especially in chemistry, because chemistry is mostly theory, but still I would like to solve some questions. And if I get bored with chemistry, then I will go with maths or physics. So that's of today's plan. So now, yesterday's video was small because I didn't speak much, but I think I will be telling you some more stuffs today apart from plans. So plans were only this much only. Now, the how I wake up at 4:30. The thing is, pay attention to this. What do you think before going to sleep? And while you are able to sleep properly, what is it that you kept thinking about? That matters very much, because whatever you think at night, that affects in one way or other how you wake up. And after you wake up, how much time does it actually take to wake up? थोड़ा सा उठ गए and then पूरा वाला उठने में it doesn't take me more than 60 seconds. Okay, so yeah, I wake up, I completely wake up. It's not that I am in a mid state that I will sleep or I will wake up. I wake up, I am awake 100%. So how that happens? So when we initially wake up in the morning, for whatever reason, to even to turn off the alarm, you have to be in conscious. Okay, so when you are in conscious turning off the alarm, what is it that you think? That also matters very much. So the reason I say that I try to wake up, if you have a goal, you will be able to wake up, because while turning off your alarm, if you are thinking about your goal, I am sure you won't, snooze that. You will wake up. So try to do that at night. Kindly don't think about any other stuff apart from studies. Why, before sleeping, try to think whatever you studied in that day. So when I go to sleep, I think about what I completed today, and that is very important thing. By that you will be able to recall what you studied that day, and if you will be forgetting some stuffs, you will be able to remember what you were forgetting. So please do that, and if you know that you are forgetting something, try to do that in the next day first. Okay, I'm not talking about whole lot of stuffs. I'm talking about small stuffs that you forget. Kindly revise that as soon as possible, because the revision is very important. And it's not that we will complete this 20 days journey and then we will do complete revision, right? You can also do revision in small, like I am doing today, of the previous day's chapters. Now after 5 or 3 4 days, I will do that again with all the chapters covered till now. So by that, I am sure we will not forget concepts. And remembering concept is only 10 to 20% of the whole part. The most of it is solving question. You won't be able to solve questions quickly if you will not be able to recall concepts quickly. So try to remember every concept. Okay, and yeah, I think that's it. So please subscribe, do share this video, and my Instagram and Telegram ID will be in the description below. I will link my previous video and next video right there in the screen, and a subscribe button is there. So yeah, thank you for watching this video.